Anemia is a common side effect of chemotherapy that is rarely discussed. According to one study, 89.5% of people with solid tumours receiving chemotherapy experienced some degree of anemia. There was thankfully only mild to moderate anemia in the vast majority of these people. What is anemia? Anemia is caused by the body not having enough red blood cells, which causes hemoglobin, the main protein of red blood cells, to become deficient. As oxygen flows through your body, this protein carries it to your organs and tissues. When your body's oxygen levels are too low, you may feel fatigued and short of breath. What causes of anemia? As a result of chemotherapy, your bone marrow and kidneys are damaged. Typically, this does not last long, and anemia improves a few months after chemo is completed. Most of the components of your blood are made up of bone marrow, the soft, spongy tissue found inside your bones. Every day, it produces billions of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. Among them are white blood cells for fighting infections and platelets for controlling bleeding. Fat is also stored in bone marrow and converted into energy when needed. On the other hand, the kidneys play an even more significant role. If your kidneys aren't functioning, your bone marrow wouldn't know when to make red blood cells. Your kidneys create erythropoietin, which acts on red blood cells to prevent them from being destroyed. It also stimulates the bone marrow to produce more red blood cells. Symptoms of anemia: fatigue, drowsiness, depression, shortness of breath, rapid heart rate, lightheadedness or dizziness, poor concentration, loss of appetite, skin that looks paler than usual, headaches or fainting. What you can do to prevent anemia. Although symptoms do go away after treatment has finished, they can last for a few weeks. Try the following tips. 1. Sufficient sleep. Make sure you are having enough sleep by aiming to have 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. 2. Stay hydrated. In one study, they found that water intake may improve anemia by increasing the hemoglobin index. 3. Iron-rich foods. Your body absorbs more iron from meat than it does from other sources. But if you choose to not eat meat, you may need to increase your intake of iron-rich plant-based foods to absorb the same amount of iron. 4. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption. You can enhance your body's absorption of iron by drinking citrus juice or eating other foods rich in vitamin C at the same time that you eat high-iron foods. Thank you for listening and subscribe today for more advice and support on cancer treatment at comfortcrate.com.